Looking for an adhesive that works on almost anything? Meet E6000, the only glue you'll ever need for your DIY projects. E6000 is an industrial strength adhesive that works on wood, metal, fabric, ceramics, glass, and more. It's waterproof, flexible, and dries clear. You can learn more of it on my previous videos that I did on E6000. You can find the links in the description of this video. Also, you can find in the description the ALIEXPRESS link to purchase your own E6000. So let's see E6000 in action. Well, not in practical action, but let me just tell you the things it can be used for. Yes, it can be used to fix a broken ceramic. Then you can use it in crafting jewelries or decoration, in securing fabrics to other surfaces, DIY home decor, and much more. Why does E6000 stand out? It is strong and durable. It can be used for various materials and is resistant to extreme conditions of heat, cold, and water. Now let's take a look at some testimonies of the E6000 I found on AliExpress. Remember I said you can go to the description and you would find the link to purchase your own. Convinced now? Are you ready to upgrade your DIY toolkit? Click the link in the description to get your E6000 adhesive now and experience the difference. If you like this video, do click the like button, subscribe, and share it to someone you know would enjoy it. Now, don't forget to check the tips and tricks for best results on how to use the E6000. So you want to check it out before you purchase the E6000 or after you have purchased it so you use it effectively.